Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Fartcoin. I never analyzed this meme token before, so today I want to check what's going on with this. Let's dive in. With my customer set, guys, I want to show you all data and just to double check the main data for this token. And guys, so this is just a basic, I guess, the meme token, and yes, this listed on major exchanges. There is no Binance or Bybit or Coinbase, but pretty normal volume on Orca on the DEX, like 47 million. Gonna analyze on HTX 7, almost 8 million. On the Gateway it's 22, but I will analyze on HTX because it's oldest chart. The same chart on the Max. I guess this token traded before listing on the Max and centralized exchanges on the DEXs, but we gonna analyze just this local chart because first of all, you have to understand, if people trade some token here on the DEXs, it means during all this time period, it's just a hand change. So it doesn't mean if you see some crazy chart from the bottom here, it doesn't mean these guys, big players, insiders, so they sell it out here. No, usually, guys, it's just a hands changed. So somebody buying here, selling here, then buying back here. After that, selling here, buying back here again. So it's always complicated process, guys. Recently I saw the on Look on Chain post. Some guy made a profit 11 million. Just amazing, amazing. 11 million with Trump, and after some trades, unsuccessful trades on spot, lost 15 million. So at the end, he lost 4 million, but he made 11 million on that token. That's why, guys, sometimes it's just a pure luck. All of these stories, when you see some, oh, this guy invested $200 and made a $1 million. First of all, mostly it's random. Second one, mostly it's insiders. It's some people who close to the team or so, and you have to double check on chain their wallets, and that people also gamble randomly and made money randomly and lose money randomly. So guys, don't believe in all of this marketing campaign. Without that marketing stories, successful stories, it's like the media treats people invest in this casino, the gamble. If everybody gonna share with you 99% how people lose the money with meme tokens, nobody gonna trade it because the people will be in fear. So this is how the psychology works and the marketing works. So also kind of mind-blowing cycle. Why this cycle is so weird? So take a look. Listed on HTX on the weekly time frame. Imagine the token listed on centralized exchange with indication accumulation pump model. We could track. I will not surprise if this is going to be the first zone of interest. Here, listing price, we stop at a zone of interest. It was like 2 cents 85, 2 cents 38. Lowest point, it's 1 cent 67, 1 cent 37, and we pump it. Recover to almost $3. It's just an amazing. People fix a lot of profit, invested not on the DEXs, invested even on the on HTX or Max, for example. So technically, yes, it can be, I guess, 3 drives better. One, 2, 3 on the daily. On the line chart, you can find out here. 1, 2, 3 tops drop. How low we can drop, guys? It's hard to say. We can drop even lower than this low, like under 20 cents, and even under this one, it's 14 cents. For me, it's kind of absolutely weird cycle, and there's nothing good with that. With that behavior, like when people trade just meme tokens on a pump fund and think it's fun. No, nothing fun, guys. It's more mostly the insider trades on pump fund. 1 billion supply, all tokens in circular supply, 400 million market capitalization. The Fartcoin, just think about it. Just Fartcoin. It's not even fun. Capitalization $500 million. Kind of weird. And at the top, the market capitalization was imagine 2.1 billion market capitalization. It's just an amazing, guys. All right, so anyway, I don't think so we're gonna hit the new all-time high. I don't think so. If we will, of course we can. Of course we can. If we analyze, guys, the weekly time frame with not an initiation accumulation pump model. If we analyze this one, if we analyze this way, top, drop, support, we should add 1-0. If we analyze like this one, drop, support, 27 zone, it's between 15 cents and even under listing price also. So technically, I don't see any sense now analyze it that way because not too much history for this token. Positive case scenario, guys, of course, definitely like speculation. We can bounce, close this weekly gap, this one. So sweep this low like 19 cents and then go higher. And it's going to be this type of stories when the people will stuck and talking forever down. In the best case scenario, of course, guys, it's a drop. Grab this liquidity, test this weekly gap, and going higher to new all-time high. But in this case, the cycle will be extended in time. Let's check with my customer what's going on now with this token here. This was accumulation at 20 cents, but we can form divergency. Still a free on the market on a weekly time frame. No data on direction on a day, on a weekly. Here was accumulation, pump, drop. No new accumulation. Here was a capitulation zone. Now it's a hope. So of course, guys, by seasonality, by liquidity inflow from the BTC, yes, this token can pump easily, but be careful because $500 million market capitalization for the Fartcoin is kind of risky. Yes, let's be real, it's kind of risky. Weekly time frame, money inflow, guys. No money inflow, nothing. So maybe at the bottom, if we reject it here and drop it lower, maybe there will be the money inflow. Trade on, guys. Weekly, no data. Daily, sell, recommendation, close position, no signal to take profit, guys. After take profit, it means close all this sell. Maybe we will see the signal to buy. It's going to be just okay time for speculation. Take profit, guys. Take a look. We traded under fair value. It's good time to buy. So here, if you accumulated an average, for example, here, you could fix initial deposit at least. For the amount value of this token on a daily now, it's 35 cents. On a weekly, I guess there is no data. Yes. So there is no data. And 12 time frame. Here at 12 time frame, we can drop to 23. For the amount value, it's 17. Sell. Also waiting the signal to take profit from this sell. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what do you think about the Fartcoin. My conclusion is the best case scenario, guys, it's a drop to the buy line 23.17 and sweep of even this low of December 24. It will be logical. Because here we leave the huge order flow. Also, Sol can drop to in today's video I posted, Sol can drop to $75, $83. So also like a system can dump. After that, of course, we can recover. But guys, if we drop and recover back after 100%, just withdraw initial deposit, forget about every single token what you invest in it. Write please in a comment what you think about this token. If you would like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.